Best ways to organize the Gmail box. Watch this video till the end. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left to open the main menu. Now open the label you want to organize. Likewise, press and hold the emails you want to organize. If needed, tap more emails to select them, or simply hit select all. After selecting, click on the three-dot menu at the top right. From your select change labels. Next, you will see a square box next to the inbox option. Check it if you want the email to stay in the inbox, or uncheck it to remove it from there. To highlight the important emails, tap Add Start from the same three-dot menu. On the other hand, if an email is not important, click on Mark as Not Important. To stop receiving the replies, tap Mute. This will archive the future replies automatically. If the email is suspicious, select Report Spam from the menu to notify the Gmail and remove it. Meanwhile, to remove the spam email, again click on the three horizontal lines and open the spam folder. Once inside, press and hold on any spam. Then tap Select All. Lastly, tap the bin icon to delete all selected spam emails permanently. And there you go. I hope this video helped.